Math Murli. Today in this video we will be going to learn what is coordinate geometry or 2D geometry and what are the basic things you have to learn to deal some problems regarding coordinate geometry. Okay, let us see. See, coordinate geometry basically is also called 2D geometry. That means two directions or two dimensions. Okay, for suppose if you think this board as plane, this plane has to be divided into four parts. How we will divide, you see. First I am drawing one horizontal line and next I am drawing one vertical line. Okay, and this horizontal line is called your x-axis and this vertical line is called your y-axis. This horizontal line is called your x-axis and this vertical line is called your y-axis. X-axis and y-axis both meet at one point. This is called O. We will call it as origin. Origin. We will mention it with O. And from origin if you think, if you see, right side of origin is always positive. That means positive side. That means positive x-axis. Left side of origin is negative x-axis. And same like that, top of origin is positive and bottom of origin is negative. Am I clear till here? Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Both meeting point is called origin. And right side of origin is positive and left side of origin is negative. Top of origin is positive y and bottom of origin is negative y-axis. Till here it is clear. Okay. Next see. How to plot any points in coordinate axis. Next step is how to plot any point in the coordinate axis or in the coordinate system. See, for example, if I want to plot any point in, make this as quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. This is quadrant 4. That means these two lines are dividing into four quadrants, dividing the plane into four quadrants, which are quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, see, quadrant 1 is lying between positive and positive. So plus and plus has to be there. And quadrant 2 is lying between negative and positive. Quadrant 3 is lying between negative and negative. Quadrant 4 is lying between positive and negative. Here you may be getting one doubt that, sir, positive, positive, you wrote positive and positive. Here, if you go anti-clockwise, you will be getting positive and negative. Why you wrote negative, positive? That doubt and all, it may be created in student's mind. For that I am telling you, see, this is called odd out pair. Odd out pair, x comma y only we will write. We will represent any point in the form of x comma y, and this bracket is called ordered pair. That means order should not be changed. First x has to be there and next y has to be there. This is called ordered pair. Ordered pair. This is called ordered pair. X is what? X is abscissa, and y is ordinate. Y is called ordinate. X is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. This you have to remember, basic terminology to do something or some problems regarding 2D geometry. Basic terminology. X is called abscissa and y is called ordinate, x comma y within small braces or small bracket is called ordered pair. Till here I think everything is clear. For example, for example, if I got anything to plot, my question is plot 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2. 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2 in 2D plane or in coordinate plane. This is my question. My question is plot 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2 in 2D plane. How we will plot this one? How we will plot this one? See, 2 comma minus 3. For example, here I am marking this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also I am marking this one as plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Here negative side, no, we have to mark it as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And here again, see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, clearly I can rub the board and I can tell you, but if everything is there for you, it is little clear. What is not necessary right now I am rubbing. This is not necessary right now. This is what we have. Okay, what we have to do, we have to plot 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2. How to plot? See, 2 is there. This is your x coordinate, correct? Which 2 it is there? Plus 2 it is there. So right hand side, from origin onwards, right hand side 2 points you have to go. 1, 2. So here 2 is there. You mark this one for time being. Those who don't know how to plot the points, for them I am telling. You mark this one for time being, and after that we can erase what we don't want. Next, minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is your y coordinate. So in y axis, where is minus 3? So here it is minus 3. Okay? Here it is minus 3. So from 2, you draw a line. And from minus 3, you draw a line. These two will intersect at one point. This point is 2 comma minus 3. Afterwards, you can rub all this. Afterwards, if you want, you can rub all this. That point is 2 comma minus 3. This and all you can rub. No need of this and all. What we need is this point we need, that is 2 comma minus 3. Am I clear? Same likewise, how to plot 1 comma 2. So 1 is here and 2 is here. So this line and this line. So this has to be our point. Afterwards, if you want, you can rub this one. Like this, you have to plot the points in the 2D plane. Am I clear or not? Till here I think I am clear. And after that, my question is, next question. After plotting the points, I want to join these 2 points, for example. I want to join these 2 points and I want to find the distance between these 2 points. So question is, find distance between, what are the points given? 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2. This is the question. Find distance between 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 2. How to find the distance is, this is what point is 1 comma 2. How to find the distance is, for finding the distance between 2 points, you are having the formula. If your points are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. If your points are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. This is the formula for finding distance between 2 points. You may be having one doubt that, sir, what to take as x1, y1 and what to take as x2, y2. You can take whatever you want. Here there is no objection of taking first one as x1, y1 and second one as x2, y2. If you interchange and take same also, you will be getting same answer. That means see x1, y1, x2, y2. If you take it in the reverse order also, you will be getting same answer. But you should not take first one as y and second one as x. That you have to be careful. In the ordered pair, first one is always x, second one is always y. That you have to be careful. After getting these, tell me what you will get. How to use the formula. I am using the formula C square root of x2. What is my x2? 1 minus what is my x1? 2 whole square plus what is my y2? 2 minus 3 is there. So minus into minus will be plus. So plus 3 whole square. So that will be equal to square root of 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1 whole square plus 5 square. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 plus 25, that is equal to square root of 26. Distance has to be some units, so you write units. If it is not given, you write units. Root 26 units. Like this you have to find distance between 2 points. Am I clear or not? Shall we do another problem? We will try to be clear regarding how to find distance. We will make little difficult in doing. We will do another problem. Wherever you are finding little difficult, or if you think I am little fast, you please pause the video and you check where you are finding difficult. And my next question is find distance between a comma 0 and minus a comma a. Find distance between a comma 0 and minus a comma a. Why I took variables and all is, you are pretty clear with numbers. If it is variables, how to do? Same technique, no problem regarding that. You know the formula. If it is x1, y1, x2, y2, if these two are the points, your formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Same likewise you apply here. First you write the points what are given, a comma 0, and second one is given as minus a comma a. Mark it like this. That will be better for you while substituting in the formula x1, y1, x2, y2. And my formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See how to do square root of what is x2 minus a, what is x1 a. So minus is there and a is there, whole square plus what is y2? y2 is a and my y1 is 0 whole square. Then see what you will get, minus a minus 2a whole square plus a square. So what you will get, square root of 4a square plus a square, that is equal to square root of 5a square. You should not leave it here. Why? Because little simplification is there. 5a square we can write it as root 5 into a. Units has to be there. Root 5 into a is the absolute answer. What the person who is correcting your paper is searching for. Okay? Root 5 into a units is the perfect answer. Units you have to mention whenever you are talking about geometry. you have to mention units, that you have to be very clear. This is regarding distance formula. You may be having doubt that, sir, you are telling about distance formula. Sir, what is the use of distance formula? This also we will see. What is the use of distance formula? See, I am having one triangle. Which is being given as 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 5. I am having one triangle which is having coordinates as, let us mention with names A, B, C. A 2 comma 3, B 3 comma 4 and C 4 comma 5. And I am asking you to tell me which kind of triangle it is or what kind of triangle it is. How to tell me what kind of triangle it is. If AB, first you find AB, next you find BC, next you find CA. First you find AB, next you find BC, next you find CA. Tell me what you will get for AB. I am doing it little quickly. What you will get for AB is AB 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square, that is root 2. This I will get. Sir, you told AB, you took first x1, y1, this you took as second. That only I told you in the beginning. x1, y1 you can take whatever you want, x2, y2 you can take whatever you want. And BC. BC, tell me what you will get. 4 minus 3 is 1 square plus 5 minus 4 is 1 square. This is under root. So this also you will be getting root 2. And next CA I am taking. What I will get? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 square. 5 minus 3 is 2 square. 4 plus 4, root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. Correct or not? Here if you observe carefully, AB is equal to BC. Here if you observe carefully, AB is equal to BC. This tells you that two sides are having equal length. AB and BC are having equal length. This tells you that AB and BC are having equal length. In any triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. In any triangle, if two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Like that you can tell whether the triangle is equilateral or isosceles or scalene. For that reason, this distance between 2 points formula will be very useful. Am I clear? For that reason, distance between 2 points formula will be very useful. And another useful thing what we will do for this is, let us see. Let us see here. You have to know the concept of collinear. Collinear. What is mean by collinear? What is mean by collinear? Three or more points lying on the same line are called collinear. Three or more points lying on the same line are called collinear. See, collinear means I am taking one line, for example, making it as A, B, and I am having one point in the middle which is C, which is in the line of AB. If these three are like this, then we can say that point A comma C comma B are collinear points. Point A comma C comma B are collinear points. Like this we can say. So this collinearity, how it is related to distance formula. If you observe carefully, how it is related to distance formula is, find distance of AB. Using diagram I am telling you, find distance of AB and find distance of AC and find distance of CD. If this is done, according to the diagram I am telling you, if this is done, then those 3 points are collinear. If this is done, then those 3 points are collinear. This AB how you will find? Like this you will find. AC and CB also same by using distance formula only you will find. That is the reason why distance formula is created and what are the uses of distance formula also I told you. To find the triangles like this and to find the collinearity, this is regarding distance formula. And after that see, we are talking about collinearity. There are many ways of finding collinearity. This also I will tell you. There are many ways of finding collinearity. In this is one way, and second way is using slope. Second way, that is first one, and second one is using slope technique, using slope formula. Second way is using slope formula, and third one is using area of triangle, using area of triangle formula. This is the third one. Sir, how to do using slope and using area of triangle? This we will see one by one. First we will see using slope. Using slope. First you have to learn how to find slope. If 2 points is given, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, slope of AB is equal to, what is formula slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is called slope of AB. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If that is the diagram given, for example, it is given ACB. Same wise you have to find AB slope and you have to find AC slope and you have to find CB slope. Any of the two slopes are equal. Then you can say that those 3 points are collinear. If any of the two slopes are equal, then you can say that those 2 points are collinear. This is regarding slope, and regarding area of triangle, this is little depth and all we have to do, and this regarding slope also we will do some problems in the upcoming video. For today, the basics of coordinate geometry part 1 is completed. I hope everyone liked the video. I think it will be little useful for you. If you think it is useful, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please hit the bell button which is beside the subscribe one. Thank you everyone.